Okay, let me make this straight. If you have two eyes, two ears, one nose, six senses, and one mouth, you will tell that most of my videos usually come out at 10 o'clock, either AM or PM. And here's the reason for that. Ever since I started YouTube channel, and most people that start YouTube channels, yeah, they have this short-term goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers. So like, if you remove the colon, that's the dot stuff from middle of 10 and the 00, you get, it becomes 1,000, meaning 1,000 subscribers. So like, I believe that I'll be getting there soon enough at least. And yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. I've revealed my biggest secret, and I noticed most of you are not subscribed because I checked the statistics and not many of you subscribed. You guys just watch the videos and leave. Yeah, so I really love for you guys to find my YouTube channel, and well, that's it. If you want me to change my banner, my channel banner and the logo for this Christmas, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't want me to change it, give it a thumbs down. I know that's really effective, but yeah, just give it a thumbs down if you don't want me to change it. Yeah, or you can drop in a comment. That will also be helpful. Thanks for watching the video for the next tutorial, because it's going to be coming out soon. And goodbye.